He's always been a star.
Working with superstars, you get the perks, a private jet being one of them, and the jerks.
But the last 5 years have seen Ajay Devgan go from star to superstar.
People have this image of mine that I'm an introvert because I'm always very quiet.
5 days over 1 month, tracking his many moods.
I switch off at 6. And then I start cribbing and I keep telling Prakash, last shot. Okay, done? Can I go home?
Ajay, go ahead. Yeah, once.
By the time I'll start sweating more. You know, my problem is I really don't vent.
Many shades.
Yeah, so I jumped and he did it and I said, I'm on a strict diet right now except for alcohol, which I can't stop.
This is Ajay Devgan, uncut, uncensored.
Right sound.
I wouldn't say he's like a fantastic husband, but he is perfect for me.
I always remember him being as a strong personality on a set. He still commands that when he walks on a set today.
Of all the people that I've worked with, he's been the #1 prankster on sets.
Have you ever been part of one?
Several.
I've liked what he is. I like what he's grown into. I like the person that he is today. And no, I don't think that there's anything much that I'd change about him. No.
740 kilometers from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai. We have come to the city of lakes to meet one of the biggest draws of the Hindi film industry.
के साथ खड़े हैं ऐसे लगता है कैंडिडेट अभी नहीं बैठा जोर से ब्रेक नहीं मारना, वो बाहर जाएगा शीशे से.
Beautiful property that you guys are at right now.
Yeah, but how many days in Bhopal? It's maddening. Nothing to do. This is your first time in Bhopal?
Yeah, this is our first time in Bhopal.
There are 7 lakes and nothing else.
We had quite a good meal.
And this statue. When I came here for the first time, they said, yeah, there are 6 or 7 lakes and one Raja Bhoj statue. Food is fabulous.
Yeah.
People are very nice. As I told you, I mean, you couldn't shoot anywhere else with so much of crowd. Yesterday they were breaking my car. So in fact, I was contemplating, should I drive in my own car today or no? But yesterday it got late in the night and there was too much of a crowd. So when you go, it's fine. When you leave, at that time it's...
Post pack up yesterday, there was some 100 odd bikers following a particular car. We were riding.
Yeah, my car. I got 100 bikers. Yesterday I had a lot of trouble because I was the last one to leave. I had a meeting after everybody packed up and left, and then that's when they climbed onto my car and then they were... But I don't like these evening shoots.
Why?
I switch off at 6, actually.
So now that you're forced to shoot from till 10.
No, I'm not forced.
I mean,
You
the
have
sense,
to
you know,
do
like
it.
right now, this is kind of like it's.
Yeah, but
compulsion.
that's why it's planned. It's you start at 1 and you know
then I'm saying
you go
post
until
6
9,
o'clock, then how do you prep
9:30.
yourself?
Then I start cribbing and I keep telling Prakash, last shot, last shot. Okay, done. Can I go home?
You packed up first yesterday also.
Yeah, that's because it was. I mean,
No, come on, you manipulated that.
no, I didn't. I could have and I would have, but I didn't yesterday. And I don't mind doing it also.
What about Bebo and Arjun? Are they also restless or are they patient?
No, they're patient. They're patient. They don't have a problem. It's only me who has a problem after 6 o'clock. That's besides the point. Bebo's cribbing about every small thing all the time, but in fun.
So food, you have your own cook here and...
I'm on a strict diet right now, except for alcohol, which I can't stop.
Okay. So that's two then. There's alcohol and then there's cigarettes.
Yeah, but everything else is very good.
You're disciplined about everything else.
Yeah. Basically, you have to sacrifice something. So I sacrifice my food.
What do you eat then?
I think these days, honestly, it's the most boring thing I'm eating is I'm just eating eggs, fish, and some vegetable soup or things like this all the time. But eating every 2 hours.
These same things.
Yeah. And then your protein shakes and blah, blah, blah.
Isn't easy being an actor.
Huh?
Not easy being an actor.
Yeah, it's not. But it's not just about being an actor. I prefer being fit. I mean, yesterday after so many days, I couldn't work out. And I was feeling horrible. I was feeling horrible in the evening. So this morning and last night, I slept late. But this morning, the first thing I woke up, I went to the gym. Now I'm fresh. Now I can, I think it becomes a habit. So feel fresh after that.
क्या कर रहा है चंदन तू इसको हटाएगा नहीं
Raja is somebody who's you will see the way he shoots with 10,000, 20,000 people and everybody in control. So I think Bhopal is the only place he can do that, or anybody can do that. So when he's shouting on the sets at them also, it's like a father shouting at a child, you know. So he keeps saying, "Hey, gadhe, tu ye jo kar raha hai yahan?" Blah blah. So everybody laughs.
कौन आगे बढ़ रहा है कौन आगे बढ़ रहा है बोला रुकने के लिए एक एक करके भेजना शुरू करो और ऐसे जैसे बिठाया था वैसे बिठा
I think he's just a simple guy who knows his job and who's a good human being. I don't think he's impatient with work. There's never any impatience there.
चालू करो यार
For an actor though, it must be exhausting. I was actually, like I just met Arjun right before you came out. He was like, it's tiring. You've seen the number of people on set.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's part of your job. It's not tiring. I mean, they really don't bother you. They just scream and shout, and you wave out and do namaste, and they sit down in that place. That's what eventually every actor wants.
Yeah, that kind of adulation.
Yeah, so that's what we live on. चल अभी आगे ले ले See, I mean, people say that we are sick and tired of this and we try to run away from this. The bottom line is the day this is not there, I mean, you're going to be so insecure and you're going to start feeling what's happened.
What's happening?
Getting ready. We're starting at 97 first again.
93 जो है ना जो बाद में करेंगे उसमें थोड़ा सा डायलॉग आपका ऐड हुआ है सो हैज
See you later, Ajay.
Yeah, I'll just get ready.
Unlike other stars, Ajay is fuss-free, changing in a flash, and from there it's straight to the set, where the crew is waiting for the director to call for action.